Hands behind your back.
Are you sick ass nigga?
Okay.
You weak ass nigga? You ass nigga?
The 19th of November, 2025. Officers dispatched following a reported hit and run. Suspect vehicle located and traffic stop conducted.
Right.
Yeah, we're slowed in traffic at 50. She's still rolling. Put it in park.
Point to report.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off. Turn the car off. Turn the car off right now. Unbuckle. Step on out here for me.
Don't touch me.
Step on out here. Don't.
Don't do all of that. Don't
try to fight me.
You a weak ass. Don't do all of
Step it up.
that.
Knock it off. You hear me?
I'm a 99-pound bitch. 99 pounds. Are you f***ing serious?
Hands behind your back.
Are you serious? I'm under arrest.
Step it up. You're under arrest.
She ain't. Are you serious?
Give me your hand.
I can't wait. You see that shit? It's not good. I'm not resisting this. You sit here.
Alright, it's all done. Check it. No, I haven't.
You took it for shit. You bitch ass nigga.
Okay.
You weak ass nigga. A bitch literally 99 fucking pounds and you sit here putting on your weight on him? On her? You bitch ass nigga. Don't even worry about it, bitch. You weak ass nigga. Y'all. All that. Talk about some motherfucking be cool. Be calm.
Alright, let's have a seat.
You bitch ass nigga. I don't give a fuck about no motherfucking seat. Cause you can't take me in jail about shit. You can't take me in jail about shit, literally.
Slide it.
Did you start fighting as soon as you asked her to get out of the car?
Oh yeah, she parked right here. Wouldn't even look at me. So I opened the door up, told her to step out, grabbed her arms, fight was on. So.
Did the hit and run happen on Hartman?
Apparently, like in Shiloh.
I mean, I'm looking for some damage. Shiloh units are out with the reporting party.
Are they?
I don't know. I was going to see if they were. Can I help you?
That dog jumped out of the car. She just grabbed the dog.
Dog?
Oh, okay. I got you. All right.
You think you finna sit here and catch me on what? Drugs?
I didn't catch you on anything.
Yeah, exactly. So y'all shouldn't have me in this motherfucker car
You
for
started
shit.
fighting.
Fighting?
I don't know why you fought with the officer.
Fighting? I didn't fight him for shit. He didn't ask me to come out this motherfucking car. If he asked me to check my motherfucking car, I would have did that.
Okay.
You dumb.
We'll get the dog from you before we go, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I know you guys have a lot to do.
Yeah, we got a
She's very rowdy.
She's very rowdy, yes.
Okay.
No, there's alcohol in the car. Empty bottles and an open bottle of Tito's.
You worried about a motherfucking beef for real.
What? No.
You worried about me. Be for real. I don't have shit on my fucking record.
Okay.
Shit.
Just sit in the
shit
car.
and nothing. Shit on my record. Shit and nothing.
So-
I don't have no disturbance. I don't have no motherfucking assaults. I have shit. That's stupid. When I sit here and talk about some motherfucking, I'm being aggressive with him. You a whole fucking man. You a whole fucking man. I'm 120.
Hey,
I'm not even 120 pounds. I'm
how
102
much have you drank?
pounds.
How much have you drank? There's the odor of alcohol is just radiating off of
It's
you.
radiating.
Yeah.
I had 2 drinks.
What? Nope. Get in the car.
Okay.
What did you have to drink?
Tito's.
Tito's?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you had some Tito's. How much of the Tito's did you have?
2 shots.
2 shots? How long ago did you have that?
2 hours ago.
So were you involved in an accident
No.
You weren't?
No.
Okay. Why would your car be seen with a car that was in an accident?
My car
and
looks like
fled?
it's been in an accident.
I haven't looked at your car. I just got here, so I'm trying to figure out what's going on too.
So
Okay.
what I'm saying is, if my car did get any type of accident report,
Yeah.
I have insurance.
Okay, and that's good. I'm glad you have.
Yeah, I
insurance.
have insurance. I
Okay.
have full coverage.
So you had 2 shots.
Yeah.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10.
And this,
Hey.
I didn't hit him.
He didn't call you a bitch. Don't
No,
call him
I
a
don't
bitch.
give a fuck about him calling me a bitch. I didn't hit him.
Okay. Here, just scoot
Do
in
you
the
know
truck.
about insurance fraud?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I didn't.
Here, put your feet in there for me. I'm just trying to talk to
My
you right
feet
now.
has been in here. Why are you telling me to put my feet in here? My feet has been in here.
All right. So
Why are you telling me that?
So on a scale of 1 to 10,
Yeah.
1 being you're going to church on a Sunday morning, and 10 being the most intoxicated you've ever been in your entire life.
I'm pissed off.
Okay, that's not what I
I'm
asked
not
you.
mad.
Okay. I'm
you
talking
asked
about
me-
impairment, okay?
Right.
So on a scale of 1 to 10,
Right.
1 being you're going to church on a Sunday morning,
Right.
and 10 being
What
the
the
most... Man,
I need to scratch my hair. Scratch my
I'm
eye.
not scratching you, okay? I'm not doing that. All right, so on that scale...
So you expect me to cooperate with you? You want me to cooperate, but you don't want to sit here and scratch my eye?
Well, I just don't want to touch you. I don't... Like,
So
that's-
don't ask me to cooperate, right? Just take me to jail.
Okay,
Just-
so you don't want to cooperate, or you don't want to...
I didn't tell you I didn't want to cooperate. I asked you if you could f***ing scratch my eye.
And I can't scratch your eye.
Then I can't cooperate.
Okay.
All right.
That's your choice, okay?
That's fine. Close the door. What the f*** do you need right now? What do you need?
I'm just trying to figure out how...
It's not nothing in my f***ing car. I'm not a f***ing drug dealer. I'm not a drug dealer. You think I'm a drug dealer because I'm black?
Did anybody say that?
I'm not a f***ing drug dealer.
Did anybody say that?
Did you find anything in my car?
They found an open bottle of Tito's.
That's fine. What?
You just asked if they found it. I'm just trying
But
to answer
what
your
did you
questions.
find? Okay, so
Tito's.
test me.
So I'm just trying to
Test me?
I'm
No,
just trying
but
to ask you questions.
I don't need. I'm not drunk. I'm just pissed the f*** off.
Okay, so just
That's it!
answer my question then. Okay.
I answered your question already.
You did?
What was your question?
On a scale of 1 to 10,
I'm a f***ing 3.
you're a 3.
But on the pissed off scale, I'm a f***ing 10.
I get that. I
Okay.
can tell. I get
So
that.
what the f*** are you asking me right now? What are you asking me? I'm telling you I'm pissed the f*** off.
Okay.
What are you asking me right now?
I'm asking you that.
I'm pissed off. I'm not drunk. I'm pissed. So you can test me. Do you have a breathalyzer?
I do.
Okay,
I do.
so get that shit. Get it, because I'm not f***ing drunk. I had 2 drinks. That's it. That's all. I'm pissed the f*** off. That's it. I'm just pissed the f*** off.
Okay, all right. Well, go ahead and climb back in there for me, okay? Yeah, she's gonna be DUI.
Do you want to do the DUI? All right, I'm supposed to be at my classroom visit. I should have 2 dozen donuts in the back of my car right now. So
Do we have the hit and run too? Have we confirmed that?
Look at her car.
There's not much damage on the car. I didn't see any. Other than it has a flat tire, or has a spare on it.
All right, Shantae. Shantae, I'm gonna have you walk back to my car with me.
With somebody.
I'm gonna have you walk back to
It's
my
my dog with somebody. I asked you a simple f***ing question. Answer that.
Hey,
let's
I
go.
just told you.
No,
Your
you
dog.
didn't.
Yeah, your dog is with somebody.
All right, let's.
No, you didn't. So I was talking about so I just told you what the f*** my dog was. So the f*** you didn't.
Okay.
The f*** don't touch me.
All right,
I
don't
literally can
pull
walk
away
to
from
the car.
Don't pull away from me, okay?
What's wrong with you, bitch? You racist ass.
Hey, hold on.
No, that
Nobody's
pisses me the f*** off. What the f*** did I do to you?
All right,
What the f***?
get in the
Hey,
car.
just
Get in the car.
take this f***ing cuffs off of me.
I'm
I
not
don't
doing
like
that.
y'all. Just take these f***ing cuffs off of me.
No,
I'm
so-
cool. Hey, come
No,
on.
no.
Take this
Here you
cuffs
go.
off
Here you
of
go.
me.
Sit back, okay?
I'm cool.
No, sit back.
Just take the Am I going to jail?
You are. You're under arrest, okay?
Okay, that's fine. Can you take this off for me?
The cuffs, I can't do that, okay? You don't have anything.
What am I going to jail? What am I going to jail for?
You're under arrest for DUI, okay?
DUI?
Yeah. You're driving under the influence.
Y'all testing me?
We will back at the PD. I'll give you a chance to do all the tests, okay? All right. Hey, Shantae.
Shut the f up.
I just
Talking to
want
me.
to. I
Shut
want
the
to
f
get
up.
your
No.
phone number.
No,
so
I don't
that
give. No, you should know already, right?
I don't know.
But you
that's-
should know already, right?
That's fine. You
I
just.
told your ass already, right?
Well, that's an
Shut the
address.
f up
That's not a
talking to
phone
me.
number.
No, it's the address, so you should know where the f I'm at, right?
I know.
Don't ask me shit else. Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Everything's recorded? Oh, that don't mean nothing, boo. That means shit and nothing. Shit be recorded and motherfuckers turn that motherfucking camera cord off and they get whooped on. Whooped on. Don't make it seem like y'all don't do that. Don't fucking make it seem like y'all don't fucking do that, bitch. Don't fucking do that. And I wish you motherfucker, I hope, I promise you, you put your motherfucking hands on me when I get in this fucking garage, I promise you, you gonna have something coming for your bitch ass. So I promise you, go ahead, take me out this motherfucker as aggressive as the fuck you want to. Go ahead, bitch. Do I get my car right now?
No, your car's still.
Did I say car? Or did I say call up? I said call up.
Well, you're mumbling. Sorry.
No, I said call up.
I said it's in your handcuffs.
I'm about some motherfucking mumble. I ain't mumble shit. I said, do I need my fucking call now? I said that. I didn't say shit about a motherfucker. I didn't mumble. Did you hear a fucking mumble? I said a call. Call. I ain't mumble about shit. Oh, some little bitch. I tried to hurry up. I have a bell. What are you talking about?
Location Shiloh area. Jurisdiction unconfirmed in footage. All statutory citations apply general U.S. constitutional law pending local verification. Stop validity, Fourth Amendment, Navarette v. California, 2014. A third-party tip of sufficient reliability establishes reasonable suspicion to initiate a traffic stop. Threshold, satisfied by dispatch report. Vehicle exit order. Fourth Amendment, Pennsylvania v. Mimms. 1977. Officers conducting a lawful stop may order the driver to exit without additional justification. Refusal does not nullify this authority. Forced extraction, use of force standard, Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, considering offense, severity, immediate threat, and degree of active resistance, not assessed with hindsight. Custodial interrogation. Fifth Amendment, Miranda versus Arizona, 1966. Questioning a handcuffed subject inside a patrol vehicle constitutes custodial interrogation. Absence of Miranda warnings exposes obtained statements to suppression. Voluntary self-incrimination. Fifth Amendment. The Fifth Amendment shields against compelled, not voluntary self-incrimination. Unprompted admissions of alcohol consumption and timing are legally admissible without Miranda protection. Breath Test Authority Dui Law, Birchfield versus North Dakota, 2016. A breath test administered incident to a lawful arrest is constitutionally permissible without a warrant. Blood draws require separate judicial authorization. Verbal conduct. First Amendment, City of Houston versus Hill, 1987. Verbal provocation of law enforcement, however offensive, is protected speech under the First Amendment. Language alone cannot independently support criminal charges. Resisting arrest, criminal threshold. Resisting arrest requires active, knowing resistance to a lawful arrest. Passive non-compliance does not satisfy the criminal threshold. The distinction is determinative at trial. Open container, strict liability. Open container and transporting alcohol statutes impose strict liability independent of impairment. These charges carry their own evidentiary burden and are not contingent on a DUI conviction. Arrest standard versus trial standard. Probable cause authorizes arrest. Beyond reasonable doubt governs conviction. A lawful arrest does not guarantee prosecution success. Each charge must be independently proven. Lessons learned. Invoke the right to remain silent. Voluntary statements are admissible and will be used. Physical resistance to a lawful order creates independent criminal exposure regardless of the underlying grievance.